On the night the sky first shimmered over Spore Hollow, Luna and Kai felt a quiet pull toward the unknown. The journey continued, slow and steady, like a lullaby. In a quiet village where the days were gentle and the nights were full of wonder, two friends shared a bond stronger than anything the world could offer. For a moment, everything was still and calm. Luna, with long silver hair and blue eyes, always carried a small lantern. Luna was gentle and kind, always looking beyond the horizon for something magical. Kai was different but perfectly matched. With a tiny orange fox always nearby and a heart full of adventure, Kai was bold and determined, ready for whatever the world would bring. The world held its breath, peaceful and steady. One evening, something extraordinary appeared in the distance. Without hesitation, they set out together, following the mystery beyond the village and into the unknown. The path led them through shadows and silence, until suddenly the world opened up before them. Spore Hollow stretched out in all its glory, a place where giant mushrooms shimmered with inner light, and glowing mycelium drifted through the air like living dreams. A quiet calm wrapped around them like a blanket. They paused to breathe, letting the quiet settle around them. The light lingered, and time seemed to slow. A quiet calm wrapped around them like a blanket. They explored with wide eyes and open hearts. Spore auroras responded to their gentle touch, and crystal caves seemed to welcome them as old friends. They moved on together, guided by the quiet glow around them. Deeper they ventured, discovering wonders at every turn. Local creatures, shy at first, grew bold enough to approach, sensing the children's kind spirits. Kai's a tiny orange fox made friends instantly, and soon they were all exploring together. Softly, the night whispered and carried them onward. But beauty sometimes hides sorrow. At the heart of Spore Hollow, they found its power source damaged and fading. The magic that sustained everything was slowly dying. A gentle hush drifted through the air, soft and unhurried. Without hesitation, they knew what to do. Working alongside the creatures of Spore Hollow, they gathered what was needed. Every small offering of glowing mycelium brought a little more light back. Every act of care healed another crack. They listened to the silence, warm and safe. For a moment, everything was still and calm. The world held its breath, peaceful and steady. They listened to the silence, warm and safe. It was not easy. It required patience, courage, and trust in each other. But together, with the help of every creature who called this place home, they restored what was broken. The moment the power returned, Spore Hollow erupted in renewed beauty. Giant mushrooms blazed brighter than ever. Crystal caves danced in celebration. The very air seemed to sing with gratitude. A gentle hush drifted through the air, soft and unhurried. Softly, the night whispered and carried them onward. The creatures thanked them with gifts of light and crystal, small pieces of this magical place to carry forever. With each step, the world felt softer and more magical. As dawn painted the sky in gold and rose, Luna and Kai said their gentle goodbyes. The path home was shorter than the journey there, as paths home always are. Back in their village, the world looked the same but felt different. Luna's a small lantern now held a permanent glow, and Kai planted a crystal keepsake in the garden behind their house. From their windows, they waved goodnight to each other. And in the garden, already, something small and magical had begun to grow. The night grew deeper, and the path opened gently ahead. Spore Hollow would always be there, waiting for their return. And perhaps, on the quietest nights, its magic still reaches their village.